Hello, this is Ron from Ron's Drone, RC, and Tech channel. I'm here on the beach in Margate City, New Jersey, near sunset tonight. We got some big puffy clouds up here that we're going to try to photograph. But what I have here is the Mavic Air 2 that we all know and love, the drone of 2020. But for the first time ever, I am flying the Mavic Air 2 with the iPad Mini 5. I was recommended the Mini 5 by my good friend Mike over at PhillyDroneLife. He said, you got to get the Mini 5, you get the big screen and it fits well in here, and the processor is so fast. The Mini 5, it can run the app, screen record, be on Wi-Fi with no slowdown at all. So this will be my first attempt. I'm using a mount that I've got from Arizona Drone Dude, who sent this to me. I think he 3D printed it himself. I don't know if it's his own design or he got one of the designs off one of the sites, but I want to thank big shout out to Arizona Drone Dude. I've been using the phone mount all summer, but now for the first time I'm using the tablet mount too, which is kind of the interconnects or whatever. I'll show you in the desktop portion of this video. But right now, let's get up and out of here, Mickey Morandini. So hold on. Let's start a recording here. We don't need to do a screen recording, but we'll at least get a recording 4K 24. So let's I said up and out of here. There we go. We got a little bit of wind tonight. I say, folks, we got a little bit of wind tonight, but I don't think anything that the little Mini can't handle. So up and out of here. Yeah, this tablet, look at this beautiful picture on the tablet. I don't know if you can see it here, but that's so much better than my phone here. Look at the big histogram there. We're recording over here. I'm gonna love this experience here. Probably help me make me a better photographer and a videographer. Yeah, folks, I've been using this, the iPad Mini 5, with the Mavic Air 2 here, and for just a few minutes here, getting some sunset photos and HDR video, and I'm really loving this experience. I mean, this screen is really helping me compose my images and check the video as far as if I need to change exposure or shutter speed or anything like that. This is an incredible experience using the iPad Mini 5, and it works so well, so fast. I mean, we've said for a long time this is the official iPad tablet of the Philly and Ron show, and it really is. Now I fully tested it out, so I want to thank Philly over there for his recommendation. I think I've already said this, repeating myself, but I want to make a point here. So thanks again, Mike. You really came through in this iPad Mini 5. Now, does anybody want to buy a iPad Mini 4 in real good condition, not a scratch on it? Personal message me down below. All right, we will see you on the next one. Let me go back here to get more gorgeous sunset photos here down at Margate City on the beach here. You see my landing pad here? It's actually an old skimboard from the 1960s and 70s. So see ya. Alright, folks, I just took a couple panos. I'm done now. The sun's almost set. So I'm going to do return to home. See if we get a precision landing here. So to do return to home, you just hit this button here on the left side. And we're going to start a video recording here in HDR, no less, for our return to home flight. And we're coming back, folks. We'll check it on the map here. Yeah, there we go. I'm checking on the map. Okay, she's 300 feet away, closing fast. It's almost here. It's right overhead. But while we're waiting for the Air to the land, you know, we got a lot of strong rumors that the Mavic Mini 2 is intimate, that it's going to be coming out very soon. Rumors that it's already in the hands of the testers, that we're probably going to see it in early November. So I'm guessing it won't be long at all until we hear stuff. And guess what? The thing's way off. It's way off here, so I'm going to stop it because it's going to land on the other side of the camera. It's so off. Okay, we canceled that. So yeah, it didn't do well in the precision laying today. I don't know if anything to do the first time using the Mini 5 or not. But down here. Got some video of me there. Let's see here. Alright, let's bring this puppy in. A little windy here, folks. It's gonna be a challenge. Yeah, a little bit windy there. We got it kind of on the edge here, hanging off the edge of the pad, but we got her down safely. And precision landing was a fail here today, but probably something I did wrong. So again, we will see you on the next one.